If you are a fan of Marvel, then you must check out my all previous Marvel stuffs. First of all, congrats if you found this video while you are searching for Stormbreaker. And if you found it on suggestion, then this video is gonna teach you something majestic. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing for more stuffs like this. So let's start. So you can use any of these items for making Stormbreaker. I left the link for all of these in the description below. So maybe you are looking for tutorial. So here it is. Now see, when we mix these both elements together, after some time like 3 to 4 hours, it becomes too hard like a stone. So first thing first, I started making a rectangular shape out of this. Now to make its handle, I use this paint brush and started sanding it. See the difference? Now make one small hole using this stick. After it dried, I started sanding it a lot to give it a perfect rectangular shape. Now it's time to make its front head. So I used this paper cutter blade and started giving it shape. Again sanding it for its clean look. Now start making its sharp edge using this sandpaper. So afterwards, I use this screwdriver for making its one detailing part. So it's time to make some very thin M-seal sticks. Dry all of these. When they are drying, I started working on its handle by adding more and more M-seal. Press that and give it a shape. So it's time to work on back head. So for this, I made one big rectangular piece, and after sanding process, I started giving its all 4 edges a curved look using this sandpaper. Same way, using screwdriver, I made that detailing part on this piece also, and sanded that whole handle piece. You remember these sticks? So maybe you are thinking, what's the use of this? So they are just for detailing work, like this. Same way with this piece also. After sticking all these pieces together, stick that handle piece also. So just keep working on detailing part. Look at my hand. So we come to an end, and this is the last use of M-Seal. Now to make it more shiny, just cover the whole Stormbreaker using super glue. Make sure you don't touch it when it is wet. See the difference? So let's check its capability. Don't forget to check my all previous Marvel stuffs. Like I made Eye of Agamotto from Doctor Strange, Thor Hammer and some web shooters. I created a separate playlist for all these Marvel weapons. So hey, this was a video. But wait, don't go. So if you wanna laugh, you can also follow me on Instagram. I post regular funny reels there. I already posted 7 reels. Just go and follow. Username mentioned here. Now, who stopped you from subscribing? Just prove this analytics wrong. Just hit the subscribe button and also press that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. क्या जिससे बने हो उसी को तोड़ोगे?